Well, I snuck back out into the shop. It's like 93 degrees outside. Put in a full day. I'm just calling it. I'm not putting another minute out in that sunshine today. I got new mower mount put in here. That one was torn. This is the 064. So I was waiting for what? Oh yeah, fuel lines. Got this ordered in. Just wanted the fuel lines. That's a fuel line. Fuel filter. Because when I went to put this together, I dorked that up. It's all coming back to me now. On this 64, since it's basically just to freshen it up, the piston you can see it squeaked a little bit, marred the rings just a touch, and I thought, you know, you look at the heat that this thing has experienced. That color was all over the inside of that motor. I asked, you know, what oil they were using, and he swears he was using the Stihl oil. I've heard rumor about the newer Stihl oil. I don't know. I can't blame that on the oil. I do blame it on heat. So anyway, I'm just putting this thing back stock. The only mod that this is going to get is in that muffler. You can see I opened this hole up here just so she breathes. Try to get some of that heat out. Help him out a little bit. This was his dad's saw, and got to chatting with this guy a while ago. So I actually was looking for a small tool size lathe, and he had pieces of one. So I bought that off him, and we found some more parts for it. So that's going too. Look at that. Start digging around and find all of that stuff. It's okay, I've got that now. But yeah, one thing led to another, and he asked me to look at his saw. I tore this saw down last fall, and he didn't have the money to put it together at the time, so he collected his money, and so here we are, putting it back together. Going to restore his dad's saw back to just running form. You can see where I'm going to need to find some of my tools. I'm kind of scattered all over the place.